Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Priceless Clean Makeover. So on today's video, I'll be teaching us how I achieved this Geishan onion ball bridal hairstyling and also this yummy Igbo traditional bridal makeup look. And so if you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Please do not make it your last, and kisses to my old subscribers. Alright, so to create the onion ball, you'll be needing your rattle comb, your bobby pin, a rubber band, and a new attachment. You call it hair extension, and also either a foreign or local donut bond, anyone available to you. So here I am using both, and the first step is to take a small quantity of your hair extension. Here I am using expression attachment, a small quantity of it. Use your bobby pin to pass it through the donut bond, just as I am doing it. Make sure it is firmly hold, and then spread the hair extension all over the donut bond. Use your rattle comb to express it and arrange it properly, and then you use your rubber band to hold it tight or tight it firmly at the bottom of the donut bond, just as I am doing it here. And then once it is tied, you have gotten your onion donut bond. It is meant to be very smooth and neat, just as you are seeing it here. So this is what I have at the end of the whole thing. Hi guys, this is my bride and myself. We are going to be creating this bridal hairstyle together. So the base is very simple. You do it just as you will gel up a center base ponytail. But at this point guys, I'm so sorry, because after doing this work, my phone memory crashed and I lost some vital files, including the rest of the hair tutorial videos. But thank God I was able to recover most of the makeup parts. Not to worry guys, because all you needed to complete the hairstyling was just to secure your foreign hair padding and then attach the donut balls to each other on it with your bobby pins. Then trim out any flyout and spray, and voila, your onion ball Geishan bridal hairstyling is ready guys. So to give that Geishan look, this is what you should be getting. Alright, moving over to the makeup part of this bridal look, I'll be carving her brows and then do the skin prep. For that, I will be using the CPD micellar water together with a face wipe to clean the face thoroughly and allow it to dry. And if you're in a rush, don't wait for nature to dry it. Just use your hand fan and dry or speed up the process. And then after that, I will be applying my Dr. Rachel Vitamin C Serum to revive the skin and illuminate the face. Then I will be blending it all over the face and letting it dry. Just know that in skin prep, every product you apply must be dry before the next one. So after that, I will be applying my Sword Cream moisturizer all over the face. Then I will be applying my Vaseline lip balm to moisturize the lip. After that, I will be applying my all-time favorite Stay Matte primer all over the face, especially on the T-zone area, and avoiding the under eyes. But then the essence of primer is to make the face dry and to control oil. And so if you apply it under the eye, you are going to be making that place stiff. So next, I will be mixing 2 shades of my V-Beauty foundation and then use a flat brush to apply it first on the face and start blending it one part at a time. Yes, because when you moisturize the under eye, you are making it calm and relax, and then if you are very stressed, the moisturizer will help your under eye to be unstressed. So while blending it, I will try as much as possible to go easy under the eyes, as I don't need to pack too much foundation there, because I'm still coming to highlight the under eye with concealer. So after blending it, I will spray the face using my green tea hydrating spray to fix the makeup. Then I will do my cheek contour and a bit below the chin bone and apply my CPD powder blush on the chin bone. Yeah, then I like to apply my powder blush when I'm still doing my liquid skin work, so that it will blend in seamlessly, just like a cream blush will. So after blending that in, I will be applying my Spotless Pro Concealer on the 5 highlighted areas, which are the forehead, bridge of the nose, the under eyes, above the lip, and the jaw. Lest I forget guys, for your contour, use a 2 shade darker than the skin foundation or concealer, and then 2 shade lighter concealer for your highlights. So after blending that in, I will be doing the nose contour. So during your highlighting, you have to make sure you blend light-handedly to make the makeup as smooth as possible. So for the nose contour, I'll be using the same mixture I use for my cheek contour. Blend that in and remove harsh lines in between so that there won't be any demarcations. So if you want to achieve that flawless skin work, then I will advise you use your beauty blender or beauty sponge all through your skin work. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I like cream contour so much because it defines the contour area as well than the powder contour, and even after setting it, it pops out more. So after blending in the nose contour, I will be using a little bit of the same shade of concealer I use for my highlight to blend out harsh lines between the nose contour and the under eye highlight. So next I'll be using my Avo powder palette to bake the face. First, I will use the same shade of powder that matches my highlighted areas. Then I will dab it in with my beauty blender just as you are seeing it here. Then after that, I will use a foundation shade for the rest of the face, and for that I will be blending it with my powder brush. Next, I will set the highlighted areas using my RCMA white setting powder. This process will help you absorb the remaining oil on the face to avoid creasing as you do the rest of the makeup. Then I will also use it to lift the nose, then dust off the excesses to reduce the powder effect. I will also use it to lift the cheek, that's reverse contour, and move over to eyeshadow application. For the eyeshadow base, I will be using my brown gel liner. Apply it on both eyelid and also blend it out immediately because it dries very fast. After that, I will be using a brown eyeshadow to blend it out evenly. And to remove harsh line also. Because the eye look I'm creating is a pigmented bold smoky, I will be applying a black eyeshadow on top of the eyelid, blending that out using a razor pack to wingtail it. After that, I will also apply a ferrous green eyeshadow on top of the black that is on top of the brown, because the goal is to make the smoky eye look pop very well. So this is me blending it in very well so that as you can see, the eye is even popping out already. And then use a dark brown powder from my Avo powder palette, this time to remove the demarcation in between. Next, I'll be applying my Silver Mark Glitters Glue on top of the eyelid to form a base for my pigments. And then after blending it in, I will apply my pigments. This pigment is, I will be listing it on the description box because I've forgotten the brand. But do wait to check the description box. So I apply this golden pigment on the eyelid just as you are seeing it here. Then blend it out. And the look is given because she'll be going for her pre-wedding photo shoot. She wanted something very bold, and this is why both her hairstyle and her makeup eye look is giving bold. And then after that, I move over to brows. After the outlining the brows, both the lower and the upper side, I will stroke it, filling it in a natural way so that it will not be too bold or too thick. And then after filling it in, I will conceal the brows and then fill her waterline using my black Carrite gel liner, and then outline the lid and apply my mascara just as I am doing it here. So next, I'll be dusting off the excess powder remaining on the face, especially on the lip area, using my melanin powder, and then I will be applying her lip stain. So just watch as I am doing it. After blending that out, I'll be using my Avo lip stain to outline the lip. So at this point, she saw herself in the mirror and she started smiling. Now for the lip combo, I'll be using my coffee shade to outline the lip, and then a pink and a orange color shade of lip stain. So first I apply the orange color and then a little bit of the pink in the middle, and then I'm outlining it with my coffee 33 Avo lip stain. I will be giving it that V lip shape. So just watch. So patiently watch how I'm doing it and be sure to subscribe, guys. So after the lip, I will be using my melanin powder in the right shade to dust off the remaining setting powders on the face, and doing so I will make sure that I don't apply too much powder too on the face, and after that I will be spraying the face to calm the face. So if you have watched up to this extent, thank you so far. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and also hit the notification bell so that you get notification whenever I drop videos like this. So guys, I just sprayed the face like I said, and right here I am applying the mascara on her natural lashes. After that I will let it dry and then I will apply her false lashes. So just watch as I am doing it. So my client has never faced false lashes before, so see the way she's nodding her head in disbelief. So here I am using my Glow by Nyanga Beauty to highlight and make the face pop more. I will apply on the forehead, the jaw, the bridge of the nose, and the chin bone. And for Lara, this is the final look, guys. What do you guys think about this glam, this bridal hair? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, if you do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel to show support, give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to get videos like this. I still remain Priceless Clean Makeover. Bye guys, see you in my next video.